How to transfer bank ID from one phone to another. Transferring bank ID from one phone to another phone involves reactivating or re-enrolling your bank ID on the new device. Some bank ID services may require you to deactivate or unregister your bank ID from the old phone before activating it on a new phone. Download and install the bank ID app on your new phone. Open the bank ID app on your new phone and follow the instructions for activation or enrollment. This process involves verifying your identity and linking the bank ID to your new device. You may need to go through verification steps. Complete any additional setup steps provided by the bank ID app. These may include creating or entering a new PIN or password. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.